This is step by step how to use email verification to validate your old email addresses that you have on your computer or the new one you extract on our email extractor. First of all, let's tackle the old email addresses you have on your computer. If you have all the email addresses on your computer, they are on Notepad, and you need to convert that Notepad to CSV file in order to upload it on our email verification. To do this, type on your browser Convertio or File Converter, and scroll down. You're going to find this application called Convertio. Open it. This is free. It's going to ask you to upload your email, your file that you want to convert. Go ahead and find your email on Notepad, the file, upload it. Now it's asking you to convert to. Type CSV file or CSV. As you see CSV for pop-up, select it. Next step is just to click convert. When you're done converting, click download. Now we download the file on your computer. There's another thing you need to do. Email Verification Pro, the new version, can accept any type of column. Just upload it on new one and select data. Switch data to email. Just go straight and click import after you switch data to email. Here you are seeing how many email on your list. Just click refresh page. When you take it inside, click verify. And now this system will start verifying your email addresses. This will not work in old version. So in old version, when you convert file, they are going to be column in two sides, column in front and back. And this is this example of how your email look on Notepad. And this is now how your email look after you convert it. You see column front and back. And secondly, what you need to know when you're using old email verification is on the top of your email addresses, you have to write email. E will start with capital letter. Write email. This will tell the system the document you are uploading. Then save it. And make sure you use Emailite. This is Emailite to clean up your email addresses in case if they are not organized in new line. Upload it on Emailite extractor. Select column, switch to new line, and now click extract. And now you can see your email extractor is now in new line. You can now copy it and transfer it back to the CSV file you download. Now you can go ahead and import it on our Email Verification Pro, the old version, and refresh the page. Click verify. That is way to verify your old email. And what about if you have an email that you download from our email extractor? This way, no stress. Go on and export your email as CSV file. That application. Open the email verification, click add list. Find the file you can download from email extractor. This works in both two applications, the two email verification. Just choose the file, refresh the page. After you verify your email finish, it's also good for you to filter it out. If you don't know how to do that, you have your Light email extractor here, and this is the Light. Just write Light email extractor on your browser, and you have this application. Press your email, no matter how your email is rough, press it there and just click extract, and it's going to give you only email addresses. You can also set it up on new line or in column, and that is how to use our email extractor and email verification to validate your email for good rates and accurate email addresses. If you want this, is affordable on my website solobranded.com, and that way you verify your email. So see you.